Part 2 of the 302, because my GoPro ran out of battery. Anyway, we got pretty far. I realized that the GoPro died, but we are stripped down. Only thing left in there is the cam. Everything looks good. Remember, this is the motor out of the van that had 160,000 miles on it. Still has cross hatching in it. So I had the block checked and it does not need to be bored out. So that's a plus. All we're gonna do is put new rings on the pistons. These are good for the lifters. So the only thing that's getting done at the machine shop is the crank is getting polished. I don't know if we have to put bigger bearings in it yet or not, but we'll find out. So this intake came out of the van, this came out of the Bronco. Excuse me, I burped there. So we're gonna clean up all this stuff. These came out of the Bronco, this came out of the Bronco. Brand new oil pan out of the Bronco. Picked up some Fox body Mustang shorty headers. We're gonna put that on there, and then we're gonna clean this block up and we're gonna paint everything. I think we're gonna go blue with the bottom half, and then we're gonna go gray on the top half. So this will be gray, that'll be gray, this will be gray, and that will be blue, those will be black. And we're gonna be using that color right there. You're gonna help me? What are you gonna help me with? Are you gonna help me today? What are we gonna do? Okay, so let's, safety first, of course. Got my safety glasses on. Let's clean this block up a little bit. I'm not gonna make it perfect. It's not gonna be a show vehicle, but I do want the paint to stick. So I pressure washed this already, and now we're just gonna wire wheel it here. We're gonna clean it off with some brake cleaner and a towel, and we'll spray it. So here we go. Okay, not bad. Got it roughed up. Got a spot here, got a spot here. The darker spots I haven't hit. Got to get in there. I'm gonna get in all around here. All in around in here too. So we'll keep going here. Okay, now I'm gonna start over here on this back side. This part isn't going to be seen from back behind, but I do want to get the top of this good. Okay, other side. Okay, now we're just going to clean this side up. I'm going to leave this on, and we'll just go around everything here. Do the same just like I did to that side. This side's a lot cleaner. Alright, I'll show you what I did. See how much cleaner that is on this side. Like you can see, the block hasn't rusted here, but everything else is scuffed up good enough. We'll just get this back side here, and then we'll take these pins out and we'll wire wheel this, get this all cleaned up, and we'll throw some tape over the stuff that you don't want painted, and then we'll throw some paint on this after we clean it up with some brake clean. So just a little bit longer here. trying to get all this stuff done because I have a wedding Saturday. So I want to try to get some of this stuff done. It's Thursday night. I got Fridays off. So I want to get started on it tonight. I got to put some mud flaps on a Jeep tomorrow, and then I got to take transmission to get rebuilt in Fort Dodge. So I got practice in the morning, football practice. So trying to get some stuff done here before all that happens. Probably gonna take this off quick, but I got a new front cover for this thing. So the old front cover I might throw on there just to cover up all the internal stuff here, because I have a new one and I'll just spray around it. Okay, take this off quick. For your oil pressure sensor, no idea what size that is. 3/4 maybe? 3/4 it is. I got a new oil pressure sensor, so this has to come off anyway. There we go. Oil pressure sensor. Okay, we're going with Old Ford Blue. So you shake this up a little bit. I am going to take these out because I have those over there off of that engine. So these don't need to be in there. I just brake cleaned everything. Everything's wiped down, brake cleaned. I put my front cover on. I got a new one of them, so I'm not worried. I just want it to cover up stuff. So, let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that looks nice. So, the only reason I'm doing this now is because I'm waiting for my parts still to build this engine. So I'm kind of like putting my first coat on. I don't know why, but I'm just doing it and trying to get a step ahead, waiting for parts. So make sure you shake this up good. And you're gonna spray this side to side pattern like this, about 12 inches away. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now you get a little bit on whatever, you can still clean it off with a wire wheel. It's not a big deal. Get a little bit on the block surface, you can clean that up with that same wire wheel there. It's not the end of the world. Now, same thing here. I'm going to take these out as they come out. This one will come out. Just gotta make sure I get behind them. Same thing, back and forth. Nice and covered. Hit your corners. Hard to reach areas. Oregon. Okay, set the back here. No matter if you get overspray in this, nobody's gonna see it back here. So. I just sprayed some back there anyway. Might as well, matching it. Make it look nice. Okay, good enough. Now, empty your can upside down, just like that, until it clears up. Wipe your tip off, put it back on the shelf. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that to all these parts here. And when I'm done, I'll show you the final product. So I got the engine block done, one coat anyway. I have the oil pan done, I have the intake done. So I'm gonna show you, man, I'm dirty. I'm gonna show you what we did here. So I just put the old front cover on here so I wouldn't get overspray inside the engine. So that'll take another coat later. I gotta put the heads on also, but I kind of want to wait till I put the valve covers on. But here's the oil pan. That needs another coat still. And there's the intake. That will also get another coat. Hopefully you like the color combo. I'm going blue and then gray. So the heads are gonna be blue, the block's gonna be blue, but the oil pan gray, intake gray, valve covers gray, and the top end intake is gonna be gray also. And then black headers. So I'll keep continuing on this journey here with the 302, but tomorrow I plan to take that to Fort Dodge to get rebuilt. And then I'll get the other stuff done and I'll give you an update on that. So thanks for watching.